In the fog of night mute, a secret is brewing. Shadows draw closer, and voices grow louder. A tale waiting to be uncovered. Peace or truth. Let me sleep. Let me sleep.
There's no night here, just a sun that never sets, and a man who can't sleep. Detective Will Lormer arrives in Nightmute, Alaska, a quiet town with a brutal secret. A girl is dead, Kay Connell, beaten to death. He came to solve a murder, but the case begins to solve him.
I'll control this situation, pal, because you don't hide from me in a town this small. Get it?
But Dormer can't control what he can see. The fog, the guilt, the man who knows his secret. Finch isn't just a suspect. He's a mirror, reflecting everything Dormer wants to hide.
Your help. I'm not telling anyone anything. We're partners on this.
Partners? Hostages, bound by a lie. One man guilty of murder, the other guilty of silence.
You figure if you got something on me, then I'm just gonna roll over.
Protect your life's work. Those scumbags you put away will be back on the street. Have gone. You're free and clear. Why mess with that?
Finch doesn't free them. He reasons, like a detective, like a killer. He knows Dormer's weakness, not fear, pride.
Think of all the other Kay Connells. Do the math. You're a pragmatist. This isn't easy for you, but I'm trying to get you to understand we're in the same situation here.
Same situation. One man beat a girl to death cold blood. The other shot his partner by mistake. But in this town, where the sun never sets, the line between accident and guilt is thin.
Hang on. Don't worry.
Let me sleep. Just let me sleep.
He doesn't want justice. He doesn't want truth. He just wants the noise to stop. The visions, the voices, the weight of the night, but in place we no darkness. Sleep is the one thing he can have. And the truth, it's not something you avoid, it's something you face even when you can't close your eyes. The story of the weight of the night doesn't fade away here. Could Will Lormer aware escape his sleepless torment? Or is his secret lost forever in Nightmute's endless fog?
Share your thoughts in the comments. What would you do in his shoes? Seek peace or confront the truth? If this dark journey captivated you, smash that like button and ring the bell to join our next thrilling chapter. Here's the challenge. Craft your own ending for Dormer and let us know. Your twist might inspire our future tale. We're waiting in the shadows. Until next time.